You know, this cool Kelly D here in the place to be at that brick building with the white on it is Wellness City where I go to school. You see the city skyline, there's Food World. That's the place I'm moving to over there, south side. Right here, Subway. Yeah, on Lakewood Avenue, the Subway here. And me, I am DJ Cool Kelly D here in the place to be. Salute all the DJs, the rappers, and your rock stars out there. I'm sitting here eating my breakfast. I usually have a tuna sub and sub of the day, which is
shout out, man. What you popping out?
What up, bro? This is DJ Cool Kelly D, man, here in the place to be.
Oh, no.
Yeah, man, I'm up over YouTube, Butterbean Jr., and I'm doing suicide prevention, the small case letters.
Yeah.
And I do music over here. I be in the Wellness City and do my recovery, but man, I do my music. I be jamming. So I do hip hop, I do funk, disco, soul, classic soul, funk, country, rock, everything. I do the whole 9 yards, man. But I like my classic soul. I do like Otis Redding, Al Green. I used to sing with Urban Silk with what's his name? He cut hair. Andre Reed from Rebels Reed down here cut hair. I was singing with them for a little bit, but I had to go, do my own thing. But I do volunteer stuff too, man, and do my love soul music, classic soul, OJ's, like I said, Al Green, stylistic, shy life. That's my thing. So.
What's your name is?
My name is DJ Cool Kelly D, but you can find me on YouTube. It's Butterbean Jr. in small case letters, and on Facebook I'm Kelly Ray Soul Man Jones or Lover Jones. But right now I got a new place too called Kelly Jones, basically. But I got a couple of them up there. I have all different hair. Like last time I had my hair in plaits, and then I had it cornrows, and I had it in dreads. So I love my music, man. And music is my healing, and so.
You gonna be DJing anything for the homecoming?
No, I don't know, man. I usually just sit over there and play. Like I got like 9 guitars. I play a mandolin. I play a banjo. But I made it to a bass guitar. I like play funk on it. It's just kind of crazy. But I play just basically learning how to play guitar and sing basically. Like I sing. Let's see. One like new stuff I do with Mario Jaheim is like yeah, woohoo. Let's see, baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. Yeah, you don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, treating you right. You're the type of woman that deserves good things. A fistful of diamonds, a handful of rings. Yeah, I do like all the old Al Green, like I like the obscure stuff, like La La Free, like Let's Stay Together album. Do all that old stuff, man. Like Otis Redding, like sitting in the morning sun. I'll be here sitting when the evening comes. I love my music, man. Yes, sir. Bless you, bro. Let me get him. Meet you, man. Yeah, check me out my videos, man, and comment, send me a friend request. Yeah, I do my stuff, man. I actually, you heard of Cutting with DJ Swift, right? Oh, but he's a hip hop from New York, but he's out here now. But he started me out. He's seen what is it? His DJ Scratch from EPMD started him out. But he's a Grammy Award winner, and also I do with the East Coast promoter here, Mimi Laos. So yeah, I work with them. So. All right, man. Bless you, bro. Yeah, you too, brother. Yeah, thank you, man.